Okay, so part two of the DC-7 repair. Most of these tin toys are held together either with screws, with crimps, or a combination of both. They'll insert the tabs like they do on the fuselage here, and they'll bend those over. When you're taking it apart, you want to bend these very slowly. Otherwise, what's going to happen is you're going to make that piece of material very weak, wherever the pivot point is where they initially bent it. So if you work at it slow, it won't work hard as easily. Now the wing on this aircraft, it's crimped together. So basically they would overlay this top skin over the bottom, and then they had a device that would crimp both ends of this simultaneously, probably like a die. So we've got to undo these crimps to strip this wing from the bottom surface and the top. What I use is phenolic blocks that I sharpen, or I use tongue depressors like this. Put a sharp edge on it. That way you can get down in behind these crimps and then just gently pry out a little bit and work your way down that wing. Now, as this depressor weakens, you can resharpen it on sandpaper or grinder, whatever you have that's handy. So we'll work our way all around this wing on at least one side. If we can get this front and the rear separated, then we should be able to slide the wing this way. So we won't have to undo this crimp as much. And then I'll show you the process later of remaking that crimp. This way, if you use this or you use a phenolic tool, you can use screwdrivers in tight parts, like on these edges. Be careful with the sharp edges because you'll easily scratch this litho, and it's not easy to repair. So, all right, part two, done.